Hi, a very good evening to all of you. So we are carrying forward our history optional series known as HOD, History Optional Demystified. So what we are trying to understand is that अगर आपको टॉपर बनना है तो आपको सिलेबस ठीक से समझना पड़ेगा, PYQ समझने पड़ेंगे, ट्रेंड समझना पड़ेगा ताकि आप खुद भी गेस कर सकें कौन से टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा है. एंड फाइनली you have to also limit your sources. So if you want to learn all these things, so this is the video for you. Alright, so this is the video in which we'll be discussing these four things: syllabus, trends, PYQ, and finally sources. Today our focus it is on industrialization. Mind it, every year one question is coming from industrialization. मैं आपको पहले ही समझा देता हूँ ये चीज़, because as a topper ये चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा रहती है कहाँ से क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा आते हैं, and those who wish to get very good rank पहले से ही ध्यान रखना. Anyway, so when we talk about industrialization, the major focus is it is on England. England, it was the harbinger of the industrial revolution. It was the first country to do so. So we have to understand causes as well as impact on its society. Industrialization in other countries including USA, Germany, Russia, Japan, and if we see the other countries, UPSC is not asking that frequently from these countries. Japan के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन आया 2010, we'll see that industrialization and ग्लोबलाइजेशन. सो ये आपका थर्ड टॉपिक है. एज सच जेनरिक टॉपिक है, इसमें कुछ स्पेसिफिक है नहीं. ओके, सो इफ वी सी द ट्रेंड, ओके, टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, कितने क्वेश्चंस आए हैं इस टॉपिक से? 19. रिसेंट ईयर्स की अगर बात करें, लास्ट 5 ईयर्स, एवरी ईयर वी हैव सीन एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन. सो बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रेंड्स यू हैव टू सी, लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेंड ऑल्सो एज वेल एज द नियरेस्ट ट्रेंड. Then if we see the previous year questions, let us try to understand what category of questions are coming here. So if we see 2023, यहाँ पर भी क्वेश्चन है, 22 में भी है, 21 में भी है, then 20 में भी है क्वेश्चन, 19 में भी है, then 18 में भी है. So as you can see very clearly कि हर साल लगभग एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. ठीक है. The impact of industrial revolution on the middle class, again focus is on impact. Worldview is reflected in the views of Adam Smith, Thomas Malthus and Jeremy Bentham comment. So this is about the overall theories, okay, the theories which talks about the impact of industrial revolution. So you should know about Adam Smith, his Wealth of Nations. You should know about Thomas Malthus, his overall theory on population, Jeremy Bentham, utilitarianism. All those things you have to understand. So this is a very easy topic, and this is बहुत difficult नहीं है, but ढंग से prepare करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Then, do you agree that economic effects of the industrial revolution were to add enormously to the wealth and capital on one hand and degrade the masses to permanent poverty as the other elucidates? So this is about the theory given by Karl Marx, haves versus have-nots. Okay, so that is something you have to understand. There were many reasons why industrial revolution first happened in England. Critically examine. So अगर हम इसकी बात करें, critically examine, so you have to understand, है ना, political, economic, social, cultural, religious, large number of factors were there responsible for this happening in England. Industrial revolution had far-reaching social and political consequences with the advent of assembly line factories, urbanization, and rise of urban working class. Critically examine. Policies of government, how did they facilitate the process of industrialization? How Japan industrialized itself after the Meiji restorations of the 1860s, right? And what were the consequences for its neighbor? Because it gave rise to its imperialism. Japan became very powerful, it defeated Russia, it was able to conquer China. So all those part you have to write here. So as you can understand, बहुत important topic है, अच्छे से इसको cover करना चाहिए आपको. अगर थोड़े से पीछे वाले क्वेश्चंस भी देखें, बिकॉज these are the recent questions. 18 में भी क्वेश्चंस हैं. इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन पुट मोबिलिटी इन प्लेस ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी. सो सोशल इम्पैक्ट, एक्सप्लेन व्हाई इंग्लैंड बिकेम द हार्बिंजर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन. सो 2017 ऑनवर्ड्स तो लगभग हर साल एक क्वेश्चन पक्का ही है. Then the oppressive exploitation of the working class in the wake of industrial revolution had jolted social conscience of England. 2015 में क्वेश्चन आया था. Then 2012 में क्वेश्चन था. Process of industrialization in some other countries of Europe were different from that in England. So you have to understand with respect to Europe. So you see the industrial process of Belgium, industrial process of Italy, Germany, even Russia. Russia was markedly different. Whoever says industrial revolution says cotton. So this is a statement who comes from a famous historian, okay, famous Marxist historian, in fact, Eric Hobsbawm. So he has written many books on industrialization, and that's how he talks about this, the age of capital. What was the extent of industrialization in Western Europe by the end of 19th century? So we have to know the hard facts, specifically कितना industrialization हुआ था, coal में क्या था, railway में क्या था, all those things. Industrialization brought about great changes in the social and economic life of Europe. Explain. Okay. Then Industrial revolution changed England in character and culture. Protestantism contributed substantially to the rise of capitalism. This is a study which has been done. How did this Protestantism also help in the rise of capitalism in England? So some goes in favor of this, some go against this. Industrial revolution put poverty in place of stability. Same question getting repeated. Trace the growth of capitalism in Britain. Trace the growth of capitalism in Britain. Same types of question have come. And then give a critical account of progress of mercantilism in 17th century. How far is it correct to say that it paved the way for the industrial revolution? So from mercantilism to industrial revolution, how did we go about this path? So as you can understand, this topic is very, very important. Okay, so if we see industrial revolution, please make sure you focus on the aspects of England, its impact. These two are the most important one. Majority of the questions are coming from here, and then sometimes they're asking from other countries. So if I were to prepare, my 70-80% energy will go towards the first two topics itself, and then I'll think about anything else. Now, as we've already seen the questions, now let us move forward. Sources. So if we see the sources, I've told you this one book from the beginning, रंजन चक्रवर्ती, इसी की हम बात कर रहे हैं शुरुआत से, है ना. ज़्यादा सोर्सेज पढ़ने का फ़ायदा नहीं है. तो अगर हम बात करें द इंग्लिश इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन causes an impact on society, so you can get it easily from chapter number 1 itself, जो 18th century के बारे में बात करता है. Then the second phase of industrial revolution in England, so you can see industrialization in other countries like Germany, Russia, from page number 123 to 127, and this is chapter number 4. तो ये चीज़ें आप आराम से इसको पढ़ सकते हो और अच्छे से इस टॉपिक को समझ सकते हो. इफ़ वी गो अबाउट BA IGNOU, सो इट हैज़ दी स्पेसिफिक यूनिट्स. ओके, आप नेम नोट कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू नीड एक्सेस टू दीज रिसोर्सेज, अगर खुद से नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो यू कैन रजिस्टर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, है ना, एक आपको लिंक दिया हुआ है, एंड द टीम विल कनेक्ट विद यू एंड हेल्प यू आउट विद दिस. इंडस्ट्रियल कैपिटलिज्म इन इंग्लैंड, इंडस्ट्रियल कैपिटलिज्म इन फ्रांस एंड जर्मनी, इंडस्ट्रियल कैपिटलिज्म इन रशिया. तो ये सारे आपको अलग अलग से इसमें चैप्टर्स मिल जाते हैं जो कि थोड़ा सा समझने में और आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. जब भी पढ़ाई करो इस चीज़ को देखो कि यूटिलिटी क्या है कुछ करने की. हम बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ के बहुत कम सिलेबस को कवर करें, उसकी कोई सेंस नहीं बनती. एग्जैक्ट चीज़ें पढ़ो, तरीके से नोट्स बनाओ और फिर आगे बढ़ो. एंड इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग and you require right kind of mentorship, you require right kind of notes, so we are in the process of beginning with our foundation course. I am the topper of history optional from last 10 years. तो वो एक इतना बड़ा मुकाम इसलिए हासिल कर पाया because my process was very scientific and I was able to help large number of students even after my success. And very recently 21-22 में बहुत सारे टॉपर्स हमारे क्लासरूम से निकले हैं. 2021 की जो रैंक 1 थी, she was from our own test series. Alright, so you can also become just like them, और उस पर आप बात कर सकते हो. सो मेंटरशिप रिसोर्सेज के लिए यू हैव टू जस्ट फिल द फॉर्म. ओके, आपको उसके हिसाब से कॉल आएगा, आप बात कर लीजिए अच्छे से. अटेंड दीज क्लासेज ऑन यूट्यूब. ये सिलसिला चलता रहेगा ताकि आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते रहे, समझते रहे और सही इन्फॉर्मेशन आप तक पास ऑन होती रहे. एंड फाइनली रीड द प्रेस्क्राइब्ड बुक. अगर आप खुद से प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं तो एक चीज़ देख लीजिए, बिना इसको पढ़े नहीं काम चलेगा. ये मिनिमम सोर्सेज हैं जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, एंड दैट टू इफेक्टिव ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत सारे सोर्सेज मैं आपको बता दूँ, कन्फ्यूज़ कर दूँ. That is not going to help. Alright, so please focus on this much. If you find any kind of query, any kind of tension with respect to this, please आप इन numbers पे call कर सकते हो. You're going to get immediate reply with respect to this. And finally, just subscribe to our YouTube channel और ये अच्छे videos देखते रहो, सिविल सर्विसेज के बारे में पढ़ते रहो, and eventually इसको clear करो बहुत अच्छी रैंक के साथ. Okay, so all the very best from my side, and I'll see you in the next video.